Here at Cummins Filtration, we believe in using real-world testing to ensure our lube filters meet specific performance criteria with positive results. Fleetguard lube filters are designed to provide optimum levels of performance with an emphasis on three critical areas: efficiency, capacity, and cold flow ability. In addition to lubricating moving engine components, oil helps remove heat, clean and seal internal surfaces, and transport debris to the filter. Let's take a moment and talk about this debris or contamination. Roughly 75 to 80% of all contaminants in oil are organic, meaning that these contaminants are what account for sludge. These contaminants are produced as fuel burns, so the more fuel you burn, the more sludge is produced. Sludge leads to increased engine wear, lower fuel economy, oil, filter plugging, and oil flow challenges. On the other hand, inorganic contaminants, often referred to as dust, are made up of dirt, worn metals, spent additives, and coarse sand. These inorganic contaminants are also directly responsible for wear in a diesel engine. Now here's the thing. A filter's dust-holding capacity is not an accurate indicator of a filter's performance. As Cummins Filtration real-world testing has shown, up to 80% of all contaminant found in the engine is sludge. So engine oil, or lube filter, is challenged with three main tasks: removing contaminant determined to be the size most detrimental to the engine, having the capacity to hold contaminant for the desired service interval, and lastly, having the ability to allow the oil to continue to flow through the filter and be cleaned even when the restriction in the filter increases. As mentioned earlier, efficiency, capacity, and cold flow ability are all measured through our commitment to real-world testing. While all three areas are critical, many filter manufacturers do not put the necessary emphasis on cold flow ability. Cold flow ability represents any condition that restricts the ability of the oil to flow through the filter. Common conditions that cause this type of restriction include cold temperatures that cause oil to thicken, oil that has become thick due to high soot and sludge levels, as well as oxidation of the oil. Another reason that cold flow ability may decrease is sometimes attributed to the filter itself due to premature plugging or too tight of efficiency, which can result in the opening of the bypass valve, allowing unfiltered oil to circulate in the engine. While this condition is critical to ensuring lubrication and cooling to prevent engine failure, it does take its toll on engine life. The Fleetguard exclusive Stratapore synthetic media, a multi-layer polymer design, provides the optimum balance of fine contaminant filtration, high contaminant capacity for extended service, and low flow restriction, ensuring the oil is always passing through the filter. When used in the full flow section of the Cummins heavy-duty engines, this ensures the best in filtration, longer component life, and lower operating costs. Sludge buildup can be an issue. It can result from factors such as using a poor quality oil, extending oil drain intervals, or operating an improperly tuned engine. Sludge contaminant can impact engine wear, especially in critically tight clearances, highly loaded areas including fuel injector adjuster screws, and valve train components. This makes it even more necessary for contaminant removal through proper filtration. We accomplish this with Fleetguard's proprietary stack disc media, designed to remove the smallest of wear contaminants, yet also has the ability to absorb sludge and is used exclusively in the bypass section of the Cummins heavy-duty engine filters. Remember that 80% of contaminant we talked about? Sludge? This allows the full flow Stratapore section of the filter to continue to do its job, providing effective filtration that includes high efficiency, high capacity, and excellent cold flow ability. To make it all come together, the Fleetguard's patented Venturi design optimizes oil flow and sludge removal through the stack disc section. To further emphasize the need for sludge control, it is so critical that bypass filtration is a requirement by the largest diesel engine manufacturer in the world, Cummins. Cummins Filtration, with its industry-leading Fleetguard products, is not just a filter company, but a media manufacturer. Fleetguard products enable your engine to do what you want it to do. It's how performance, quality, and value all come together. To learn more about Cummins Filtration technology, visit cumminsfiltration.com or register for free training at fleetschool.com.